How to use ERPNext for beginners. Get set up. Choose between a Frappe Cloud trial for instant access or self-host locally using VirtualBox or a Linux server. Use the official docs to guide your installation and initial configuration. Second, understand the interface. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, sidebar, modules like accounts, sales, inventory, and workspaces. Learn to navigate using list, form, Kanban, calendar, and Gantt views. Third, configure company and users. Set up your company info, fiscal year, and currency. Create user accounts and assign roles and permissions. Admin, sales, or HR, for example. Fourth, master core modules. CRM and sales. Add leads, convert to customers, generate quotes, orders, invoices. Purchasing and inventory. Create suppliers, place orders, and manage stock entries. Accounting. Define charts of accounts, log opening balances, handle expenses and payments. Manufacturing. Track a bill of materials, BOM, and work orders. Fifth, explore specialized industry modules. ERPNext supports sectors like healthcare, education, manufacturing, retail, and services. Dashboards show real-time metrics like stock levels, outstanding invoices, and job schedules. Sixth, customize and automate. Use the no-code builder to tweak forms, add fields, set workflows, and build custom reports. Automate tasks via client/server scripts or use APIs. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.